right? Rasta is about the community, right? That's what I know as Rasta culture and philosophy, right? And so it's also do for self, right? Not depending on others. So I know you get the big paycheck, you're the big artist, you have the flashy cars, the clothes, all of these things, but like Tijan was saying, right? It comes along with you wear the locks, you wear the look. There's an expectation of you are for the betterment of the community and upholding, the growth of the community as a whole. So what you can do, for any particular person to be assaulted and that community not to then stand up.
Right, jungle justice. Everybody have to come in and do what is right and uphold, like you said, the principles and the foundation. Because without
she
that,
went
it
straight
just
to jungle
lacks.
justice. I would just say justice, but, she went to.
I mean, if we're gonna talk, I'm talking country. I'm talking yard. All right, we say from yard to the streets for a reason.